An experimental method sa inyo, ha? May utang ako sa inyo, di ba? Na hemostasis. Remember?
Uy.
Okay. I'm going to give you dahil hindi ini-discover ko kasi nagkaibit-ibit tayo dahil sa mga pangyayari. Ang hemostasis sa inyo will be self-learning. I am going to give you guide objectives for that chapter. Then I will give you guide questions. Remember, ginawa sa inyo ni Dr. Roweto? I am hoping for the same outcome. I am hoping for the same outcome. Dahil parang siguro sa inyo, except for select topics, mas gusto niyo yata nagsa-self-learning. Tama ba?
No.
Hindi, ayaw nyo. Ay, salamat. So, subukan natin with hemostasis. Okay? By next week. So, by next week, medyo busy tayo sa tissue. I will give you the hemostasis self-learning protocol. After that, tuloy nyo, mag-meet tayo, mag-discuss tayo briefly, mag-discuss tayo to be followed by a long quiz. So, self-learning yun. Pag-aaral kayo, nandun ang guide questions. So, that is for hemostasis. For further lectures, may lectures si Dr. Gumpal, followed by my lectures, yung sinabi ko nga sa inyo, humeral local flow, cardiac output, venous return, okay? The heart valves and basis of heart sounds. Pakikita na yun. Gumagalaw. Iyaano natin yan. Next week, hati kami Thursday afternoon ni Dr. Gumpal. Okay, naghahabing tayo ng konti, but by next week, we should be
Thursday?
along with the original schedule. And then, sa
Bakit
laboratory,
Thursday?
meron tayong
Bakit
lab
Thursday?
activities. Then I'm going to give you an ECG exercise. Basta ipinasa ko sa inyo, kayo na bahala. Put your names clearly. 10 groups of 6 members each. Please disseminate all this information to those who are absent. Sana naman okay sila. Pero hindi natin alam kung kailan sila makakarating. So as far as fish is concerned, clear tayo until next week?
Opo.
Yes?
Yes, po.
Okay.
May ballpen na.
Easy, easy.
Bibi.
Okay. Please coordinate with, hindi sumasagot si Dr. Rowen. Coordinate with Dr. Gonzales with the fishing class. Alright? Questions? We're good? We like ECG? Mukhang gusto niya. Yung pag-ingatay ka na natin gano'n. Thank you.